YouTube, what is up? Hey, I know y'all ain't seen me in a long time. That's my fault. That's my fault. That's all me. I need to get back on my grind. I need to get y'all some content. So as y'all can tell by today's title, I said today's title. Yeah, y'all can tell by the title. I'm about to actually go sliding. I don't know if y'all seen my last sliding video, but I suck. But I've been practicing off camera, so y'all gonna see I really got down. I really get down now. I really know how to do my thing, and hopefully y'all can learn too, because I'm gonna do a little tutorial. I'm gonna show somebody else how to slide. So that's how that's gonna go. What the hell? It's a bag in the car. I'm not trying to set these up. Back with the content. It's y'all boy. Let's do this cold start. Haven't dealt with these in a long time. We're gonna do it like this. Got the key. So, I actually know this spot. Man, that shit is pretty loud. It kind of messed my ear up. I actually know this spot, this really chill spot. When me and my homeboy went to, he did a little Instagram reel. So we probably gonna head up there to slide. I'm probably gonna need some new tires after this. We'll see. I hope this is a banger, because I really don't know how these go. I just record, edit, post it. Hopefully it's a banger. Hopefully, if y'all like it, make sure y'all smash that like button, man. Y'all been tripping. Smash that like button. Leave a comment. Come on, be active. So, let's get it. I guess who showed up? That's right. We got Tony here. You know, it's rare to catch Tony nowadays. He here, though. I don't think he's going to slide his car because his drive... I have a fucked up drivetrain. My tires is fucked too. But I haven't spin my car in a long time. I'm gonna try a little something. I'm going to strap my GoPro on and try a little something while we wait for the third person. So she don't got nothing. You want to record this for me? Yeah, I'm coming in from that way, so that long way. Oh God.
That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad.
I tried to do a circle after it. I meant to up shit so I can hold the circle.
See, with my car, I ain't gotta do all that.
Yeah, you could probably just stay in first gear.
I don't even gotta put it in what's the car and put it in gear. I put mine in what's the car. I put mine in, like I said, sport mode at traction control, and that's how I be spinning.
Let me do that again.
Try it again. you fucking do it. That's how you.
As y'all can see, man, I got a little better with my things, but I still got some more to go. I'm better than T-Pain, you know, T-Pain. Hey, you watching this, dog? Let's have a little drift competition. Nah, he'll cook me. My shit.
He ain't tell you to move. Shut up.
Hey, you scared the fuck?
My foot slipped off the gas pedal.
He scared the fuck out of me. Maybe I should move my car.
I ain't gonna let you. Motherfucking, when I was hitting the gas, motherfucking foot slipped.
I think your car do need to start in first gear.
You think so?
Yeah, to slide better. Cause it looked like you was gaining traction too much.
Yeah.
Enough power.
I bet.
Let me know if I should opt out and become a professional drifter. Cause you know I did my thing.
Oh, now that's crazy.
That was. Come on, I did my thing. Then I do. Tell me, don't leave me hanging. Then I do my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. He be a professional.
She a hater. I swear, everything I say is you just
I'm not no
Hey,
downgrade,
like
right?
French.
T-Pain, I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass, T-Pain. FYI, T-Pain is like the only Mustang drifter I know. So, you sure you don't want to go, Lisa? It's so fun. You gotta try it one time. Just one time.
It's fun and scary.
We about to crash, y'all.
Don't say that.
I got dirt in my eye.
That's what I'm saying.
You said a little bit. I got dirt. Like full blown dirt in my eye.
Fucked it up, huh? You didn't have to record that one. Hey. Thank you. Alright, we got everybody here now. This is Promise, this is my friend. Promise, this is Tony. Hi, Tony. This is Promise. Promise, this is Lisa. Lisa, this is Promise. Promise, that's Trinity. Trinity, that's an inside demonstration. Then you gotta do one circle.
One circle?
One circle.
Alright, bet.
Alright. Y'all wanna start? Y'all scared?
Y'all
What do you mean, start?
I told you she going first. Well, I gotta go first.
Start this boy up. Make sure all the settings right. Oh no, I'm about to teach her how to do it first. What you want to do, I got all the options right.
Yeah, he just telling you.
So, traction control off. Want to put it in S. Hold your foot on the brake. Let's go up here.
No, all I gotta do is just like go in a circle.
Yep. So look, to do a basic, just a donut. That's all you gotta do. Just a basic donut. Okay. Put it in first gear. Put one foot.
What's first gear over here?
Yeah. You just tap it once, it'll stay in first gear. Okay. After you do that, you want to put your foot on the brake, your left foot, and then you want to do a little burnout. You know how to do a burnout?
Just with the gas.
Oh,
No?
don't smash it like that.
Okay, just a little bit?
Yeah, you just ease into it like that. Okay, so when your tires start spinning and you feel like they spinning enough, you want to let go of the brake and a little bit gas, and you want to just turn all the way to the left or right, whatever way you do it. So,
Alright, just show me like.
Alright. That's me just doing extraness. You got it? Think you can do it?
I think I can do it. I'm scared, but fuck it.
And if you want to keep, all you gotta do is one circle, but if you want to keep it going, you can tap the gas and just keep it in a circle.
I'll do one circle though.
All right. Back in my passenger seat. She about to do one circle. That's all she gotta do is one circle.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, my tires are cooked.
Your tires are fucked.
Yes.
I'm gonna put my seatbelt on to be safe.
All you gotta do is one
yes.
circle.
Just right.
Okay. Pull it all the way back to S. Tap the left behind the steering wheel.
First gear.
It should say 1 up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold your foot on the brake. Your left foot.
Should I? Yeah. Switch it.
Yep. And then do a burnout. And when it's spinning enough, turn all the way to the left.
It's like, just do that.
Yep.
Okay, I'm scared. Is that camera on me?
Yep. You good.
Okay. Okay. Just do it, promise. Just do it. Like that?
Yeah, and let it go. You gotta keep the burnout going.
Okay, keep the burnout going.
Yep.
And then let this bitch go.
Yeah. You don't gotta put your gas foot all the way down either.
Oh,
You could do it
just a
like
little
half
bit.
throttle. Yep.
Okay, I'm not having my foot on this brake. Okay, I'm sorry. This video gonna be long as shit. Fucking with
No,
me.
no, it's not.
Okay, you gonna cut it?
Yep.
To the part when I finally do it. Why I have me first? Okay.
Come on, you got it. I not. Oh, you had it.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
let go of the brake
Just
afterwards
let go
and
of the
turn.
brake and then turn.
Yup.
Alright, bet. Alright, I'm about to do it for real this time. Like that?
Yeah.
Did I do it right? Did I do it?
You did not do a whole circle. That was a terrible circle. That was a terrible circle.
What was it? Was it half a circle?
Was that even a circle?
Technically, it was a full circle.
That was a bullshit circle.
It was a full circle.
It was a full circle.
That was bad. That was real bad.
That was not that bad.
That was terrible.
For a first time.
That was terrible.
Bro, for a first timer.
Okay, that was worse than the time I bought that bootleg copy of Tokyo Drift. I don't even know why he laughing. I ain't even edited it yet, so you don't even know what you're laughing at yet. All right, you gotta do another one. Cause that was a terrible circle.
It wasn't all that bad. Let me show you.
Let's see. Let's review the footage.
I lied.
Okay, it wasn't that bad. Okay, I lied. Oh, she cooked my tires though. Y'all see how he talk?
She kept doing burnouts.
Sorry.
I don't know. Let's take a look at this cooked ass tire.
Okay, that was already cooked before.
Somebody already cooked before.
You ain't lying.
How was it though? Was it fun?
It was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, now you gotta go to the streetcar takeovers. You gotta tell all your Hellcat niggas be like, oh, I know how to slide and go all around the Here, let me practice my run. Should I do that same thing I was doing? You wanna do that? The same thing I was doing with them? No, I'm saying you be in the passenger. What I was doing with them.
Seatbelt on.
Seatbelts on so we can be safe. Oh my gosh, my tires are dirty.
Let me see them.
The smoke out of my eye. I gotta let my car chill.
Boy got them Smokey the Bears on. Ooh, look at them shits. Ooh.
Sorry.
Ooh.
Need help? No.
One rainy day and it's wraps.
Man, what? You said who turn?
I said his tires is wrapped.
Oh, I thought you said your turn.
Oh no, they still. Oh, they hot. They hot.
Dummy.
Them shits are burning. They still kind of good though.
Oh yeah, they definitely got some info.
How was it? You don't sound too excited. Was it good? Did it look good? It was fire. You know, y'all come get in with my boy. I gotta put my license plate on. My little holder. I forgot. I'm about to. That's why I bought this. I take the dealership plate off, man. They ain't paying me. I'm getting no free clout.
What you get?
Just a little.
See you, Space Cowboy.
You know where that's from?
No, I don't.
It's from my favorite anime.
Oh.
You should watch it.
What anime is that?
Cowboy Bebop.
Oh, okay. I should have figured that.
Alright.
That shit didn't go nowhere, but it didn't break.
If y'all know the anime, let me know. That look cool. That look cool. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Oh, my leg. She actually slid the car and y'all actually. Y'all can saw how to slide it too. I know a lot of y'all don't know how. Y'all be crashing into people. That's embarrassing.
Damn, that boy got this bitch stupid dusty. Oh my god. God damn, boy. I cried my name in your car.
Don't do that. Thumbnail.
Huh?
I gotta get my thumbnail.
Oh.
Do however you pose.